ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
Adiyan Swami, as per SAsthram, please explain the difference between Atma in humans and other species like trees, birds, animals, etc.
Yeah. See, as far as Sanatana Dharma goes, just as I am an Atma, when I say I am an Atma, I am not talking about this body. This is only a body. Similarly, inside the cow's body, there is an Atma. Inside the bird's, crow's body, there will be an Atma. So, in every body, everything which you can see with name or form, there is an Atma. Now, there are two concepts, sentient and insentient, living and non-living. So, two concepts, we have to differentiate between those two. That is done in our Sanatana Dharma. Sentient and insentient is, I am a sentient person, Atma is sentient. This body is insentient. It doesn't have anything on my own. How will we know, how do we say that? When this Atma leaves the body, this body then has no reaction to anything. It just stays as a body. So that is why Atma inside the body is what is the cause for all the actions of the body. The same way, any action done by a cow, any action done by a crow, any action done by a tiger, all of that is done by the Atma inside the body, which we see. But when it comes to living beings and non-living beings, which is what is differentiated in the science generally, there we will say humans, animals, birds, to some extent plants will be considered as living beings, but all other objects will be non-living beings. But when it comes to sentient and insentient, in that case, Atma is sentient, everything else is insentient, even body is insentient. So that is the difference between Chit and Achit. So human beings, animals, they are all living beings. When it comes to non-living beings, we will say a table is a non-living being. So in that case, we see some difference. In that, in certain religions, they say only humans have higher value, others don't have value, they exist for humans and so on. But in our Sanatana Dharma, all Atmas have different bodies, and each body is a result of that Atma's own karma. It is not something which has randomly happened. Nothing is done randomly. Everything is by design only. So this design keeps going on. And there is scope for improvement in every body. If I am in the human body today, I do have scope for either liberation or getting a better body, which is maybe a human being with higher knowledge, higher understanding and so on. So that is also possible. But I can also go down. If I do wrong deeds, I may also get a different body, maybe animal body or plant body, depends on one's wrong deeds.
ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம்.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.